Alright, today we're going to do some operations with polynomials. First one, we're going to do a little addition. Alright, we're going to add some polynomials. We're going to remove the parentheses. Then we're going to combine like terms. So we got 2x cubed plus 1x cubed, 3x cubed, 5x squared plus 6x squared, so plus x squared, plus 3x, plus 2. This one down here is saying subtract this first term from the second term. So second term actually gets written first. Keep that in parentheses, you don't really need that. Minus, okay. Second term we definitely need in parentheses because what we're going to need to do is carry that minus sign through those parentheses as if it's a -1 and multiply by everything in there with the -1. So this becomes negative 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 7. So combine like terms now. So we got 5x cubed minus 3x squared, negative 5x plus 1x, negative 4x, positive 1 minus 7 is minus 6. All right, let's go to the next one. We're going to do some multiplication now. So negative 2y squared plus 3y minus 6 times y minus 2. We have to multiply everything in the first set of parentheses by y. Negative 2y cubed plus 3y squared minus 6y. Now everything in first set of parentheses by minus 2 plus 4y squared minus 6y plus 12. Now combine like terms. Negative 2y cubed plus 7y squared minus 12y plus 12. Okay, we're going to multiply 3 sets of parentheses. My recommendation is take the first 2 sets, multiply those, we're going to FOIL them out, we're going to get x squared plus x minus 5x, which is negative 4x, minus 5 times positive 1 minus 5 in parentheses times x plus 3. From there, we're going to do the same thing we did above. Everything in this parentheses multiplied by x. X cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x. And then everything gets multiplied by 3 plus 3x squared minus 12x minus 15. Combine that. X cubed, negative 4x squared plus 3x squared is negative x squared. Negative 5x minus 12x is negative 17x minus 15. Okay. Now, we have a couple special patterns when we're going to cube binomials. If we have a plus b cubed, this is going to be the pattern we're going to follow. Where a is the first term, b is the second term. Don't worry about the signs. A minus cubed, a minus b cubed. Okay, we have a couple special patterns here. If we have 2 terms, a plus b cubed, we're going to follow this pattern. Where a is the first term, b is the second term, and it has to fit this pattern when we're all done. A minus b cubed, a is the first term, b is the second term. Follow this pattern here. Okay? So x plus 4 cubed. A is equal to x b is equal to 4. And we are going to plug it right into here. A cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Notice how the powers on the a go down, 3, 2, 1, and the powers on the b go up, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go x cubed plus 3 times x squared times 4 plus 3 times x times 4 squared plus 4 to the third power. So this becomes x cubed plus 12x squared. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 3 is 48 plus 48x. 4 cubed is 64. So if you didn't do that, what you'd have to do is this. And then just multiply out like we did on the previous problem. And we'd end up right back here. This is just a little pattern we can follow. All right, let's try this one. Here's 2x, b is equal to 9. We're going to make it fit this pattern here. A cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. A is going to be 2x cubed minus 3 times 2x squared times 9 plus 3 times 2x times 9 squared minus 9 cubed. 2x cubed, 8x cubed. 2x squared is 4x squared times 3 is 12x squared times 9 is negative 108x squared. 9 squared is 81. 81 times 2 is 162. 162 times 3 is 486. 9 cubed is 729. If you didn't know the pattern, you would just have to multiply these out and you'd end up back at the same answer. Okay? All right, here's our last page. So I want you to pause the video, try these 6 problems, see how you do, then come back to the video, check your answers. Okay, I'm glad you're back. Here are the answers. And I hope you found this video informative, and I will see you on the next video.